Hello there, this is Team Ghalib, and today we are going to present our final year project named Project Zafar Deep Learning Based Automated Topical Urdu Paragraph Generator. This is Team Ghalib, which includes Hamza Rizvi, Kabir, Raza Naqvi, and Muhammad Ahmad. Our project was inspired by the recent development in the field of natural language generation by deep learning models such as OpenAI's GPT. Main reason, however, of our project was to contribute to the natural language generation and natural language processing fields for Urdu, which is national language of Pakistan. Our problem statement for this project is given a few keywords, automatically generate a paragraph. By paragraph, we are referring to a piece of text which contains more than one sentence. Our project is novel in the sense that paragraph generation for Urdu has never been addressed before. There has been work in the case of image captioning, Urdu text summarization, and Urdu to English translation, but no one has generated Urdu paragraphs before. Our project is a research project, but there are certain potential applications of this project. First of all, we are contributing to natural language processing and natural language generation for the Urdu by creating data sets. We can also contribute to NLP for Urdu by taking this work further and generating poems and essays and different things. Also, our project will narrow the gap in the development in NLP across worldwide languages by contributing to NLP for a low resource language such as Urdu. Our project idea depends on a deep learning model, so we are training a model which takes keywords as input and then generates paragraph relevant to those keywords. So to train a deep learning model, you need a data set. There was no suitable dataset available for our case, so we created our own dataset by scraping different websites. Currently, we have a dataset containing about 69,000 paragraphs and 6.5 million words, which was scraped from different websites, and we did pre-processing ourselves because there are currently no good NLP libraries for Urdu. Our model is MTA-LSTM. MTA-LSTM is an LSTM which stands for long short-term memory, which is a modified form of recurrent neural network RNN. We are using encoder-decoder model for LSTM with attention mechanism. So MTA stands for multi-topic aware LSTM. A little bit of detail here. Encoder-decoder model were developed to address the problem of different input and different output lengths for RNNs. Encoder is the part of the model which takes in the inputs and learn their distribution, and decoder is the part of model which is responsible for generating the output. Attention mechanism was designed to give equal attention to the inputs. This is a problem in the case of varying length outputs. So if you are generating a long output, then there is a chance that some of the keywords might be neglected. But attention mechanism solves this problem by focusing on each keyword according to its importance. We are currently training our model using different hyperparameter configurations on our current dataset. We plan to evaluate our model against BLEU, which is a standard evaluating mechanism in the field of natural language processing. We are also trying to extend our dataset so that we can strengthen our model by providing it more data. So this is our website for Project Zafar. This is main title page which contains information and few links about the project and also contains the contact form. But interesting thing is to generate paragraph page which you can access through the navigation bar or this button. Let's generate paragraph. Here you have 5 fields for the input, where you can type in English and it will transcribe Urdu phonetically. So for example, let's give a few keywords. Just give these. So you can change the number of paragraphs, you can increase or decrease the paragraph numbers. Default is 3, and this takes a little bit of time because it's loading the whole model and then generating the paragraphs by giving the model the keywords. So these are the generated paragraphs, and here on the paragraph page any user can actually give feedback for 3 fields: coherency, relevance, and grammar, and this feedback is stored in the database, which might be used in the future for improving the quality of the model. So let's just give some random feedbacks. The model is under training right now, that is why the result may be not that good, but at least it is generating paragraphs right now, and the website is working on the local host. Our future goals are to publish a research paper so that our research can reach other people who are working in the field of Urdu natural language processing and natural language generation. We also intend to extend our work to poetry generation, in which we will train our model on a poetry dataset and will try to generate poetry upon given a few keywords. Thank you. This was Team Ghalib, and I hope you liked our idea of project and our work.